Hello students, today I am going to teach you class 12 economics and your topic is national income. What is the national income? National income is the sum of all the final goods and services, value of all the final goods and services produced in an economy by normal residents of a country during an accounting year. Now, students, you should learn what is the meaning of normal residents. Normal residents are those people of country who live who live ordinarily in a country. Now you can also say those people who are living in a country ordinarily are known as normal residents. What is the means of ordinarily resides? Here the people who are ordinarily reside in a country are known as normal residents. Now there are two conditions of normal residents. The person or institution should live in a country more than 1 year and whose economic interest should lie in that country. It means those persons are normal residents of country who are living more than 1 year in a country and whose economic interest lie in that country. It means the person who is doing economic activity inside the country and who is living more than 1 year is known as normal residents of a country. Now students, you should learn what are non-residents. Non-residents of a country. The person who does not follow the situations of the normal resident of a country are known as non-residents of a country. Now, students, you should learn what is the difference between normal residents and non-residents of a country. The main difference is that the person should residing more than 1 year. If a person is not living more than 1 year or less than 1 year, that is known as non-residents of a country. A person whose economic interests do not lie, a person whose economic interest does not lie in that country, that is known as non-residents of a country. And income of normal residents of a country should be included in national income, and income of non-residents of a country should not be included in national income. And a person who is working in WHO office situated in India is an Indian working in WHO office in India is known as normal resident, but a foreigner working in WHO office in India is known as non-resident because that person is foreigner. Similarly, the person who was working in WHO office, IMF office, WTO office situated in India. If that person is Indian, then he is normal resident. If that person is foreigner, he is non-resident of India. Thank you.